Do you feel stuck in life? Mentally, emotionally, or even physically? You want to move forward, but something inside you feels frozen. This feeling is more common than you think. In this video, we'll explain the psychology of feeling stuck, what's happening inside the brain, why motivation disappears, and how stress, fear, and overthinking silently keep you trapped, explained in simple psychology and neuroscience language. What does feeling stuck mean in psychology? In psychology, feeling stuck means lack of motivation, mental paralysis, emotional heaviness, and inability to take action. It's not a lack of ability, it's a blocked mental state. The brain's survival system and feeling stuck. When the brain senses uncertainty or threat, it activates survival mode. Instead of fight or flight, the brain sometimes chooses a third response, freeze. In freeze mode, motivation drops, energy feels low, action feels impossible. Feeling stuck is often a freeze response, not laziness. Fear and the amygdala. The amygdala detects danger, including emotional and future-based threats. Fear of failure, rejection, or making the wrong decision keeps the amygdala active. An overactive amygdala blocks forward movement and keeps the brain cautious. Overthinking and mental paralysis. Overthinking overloads the brain. Too many thoughts lead to confusion, indecision, and mental exhaustion. The brain delays action to avoid mistakes, creating the illusion of being stuck. Dopamine and lost motivation. Dopamine drives motivation and progress. When dopamine levels are low, goals feel meaningless, effort feels heavy, rewards feel distant. Stress, burnout, and constant comparison reduce dopamine, making movement feel impossible. Feeling stuck and the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex helps with planning, decision-making, and taking action. Under stress, its activity decreases. Decisions feel overwhelming. The brain avoids commitment. This weakens forward momentum. Past experiences can trap the brain. Past failures or disappointments teach the brain to avoid risk. The brain remembers pain and tries to protect you by keeping you in familiar zones and avoiding change. What feels like protection often becomes self-sabotage. Feeling stuck versus laziness. Let's clear a myth. Laziness, lack of interest. Feeling stuck, fear-driven paralysis, mental overload, emotional exhaustion. Most people are not lazy, they are psychologically stuck. How to get unstuck. You don't need a big breakthrough. Start small. Reduce decision pressure, take one tiny action, create safety before change, stop self-comparison, allow imperfection. Small actions tell the brain it's safe to move. Importance in psychology and mental health. Feeling stuck is common in burnout, depression, anxiety, and life transitions. Understanding this helps people replace self-blame with self-awareness. To summarize, feeling stuck is a brain response, not a failure. Fear and stress activate freeze mode. Overthinking and low dopamine reduce motivation. Safety and small steps unlock movement. You're not broken. Your brain is waiting for safety. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy, comment what makes you feel stuck. Progress begins with understanding.